Hi everyone, Roland Banyas from Creative Nation Academy, and in this video, I'm going to teach you the new video editing capabilities of Adobe Express as of June 2023. So right now, I'm here at Adobe Express, this is the new one. I'm going to click on the plus button here, and you can easily create TikTok videos or any videos that you want. Let's click on TikTok video. Let's click on that. And as you would see, this is the new interface on which you can easily create and also gather what we call media inside of Adobe Stock. For example, if I want, I can easily search videos. Let's say, let's do a restaurant theme. You can easily drag and drop any specific like videos. Let's click on this and drag it on here, or you can even drag it here to add this as a new scene. And you can easily like create additional scenes as you wish. For example, let's add this one again. And there are some buttons that will enable you to just really fast pace your workflow. Let's click on the video and you would see there is a button here which is fill video. Let's click on that. This will enable you to create instant TikTok videos or even any video on which you can also animate it or even resize this. For example, if I want to put focus on this, you can easily create text as you would see fit. Let's click on add your text and let's type in. Let's type in welcome to this video. Let's add this. You can easily edit this. And one thing that you would notice is that the interface itself is brand new. All of our controls is now on the left side, and there is no options on the right side. That's one new thing inside of Adobe Express. Let's click on close, and you can easily animate the object by just clicking on it. And when you click on it, you can just like resize this. You can edit this to any specific format. Let's make this bold. And if I want to animate this, I can easily like create animations on the fly. So let's click on that. And you will have the option for you to layer your timing. For example, let's click on this and you can easily like transition in any text that you want. For example, I want this text to be not in front of us in the first seconds, and then let's create something like that. And you can easily like create lots and lots of like designs or even shapes or add media when doing this new video editing capabilities in Adobe Express. So right now I am using the text option. I can easily add media again on top of media. For example, let's add another video on which let's add some food footages. Okay, I can easily like drag and drop it here to add it to another scene. Or you can easily replace that one if you want. You can easily like fade in. You can add like transitions, something like that. And we can even animate a specific like element inside of this video experience. Let's click on the animation. And in animation, we have like three things. We have the in which there are a lot of presets that you can use. For example, let's click on grow and you would see I have already created this. I can even create like out animations. For example, let's make this shrink. So as you would see, if I do that, you can easily also like create looping animations on the fly by click on looping. Let's make this like blinking or even yo-yo. Let's click on that. So you can definitely customize this, and you can even add shapes on this or even elements. Let's click on elements. You can add more, like for example, this one. You can just drag and drop it here. Resize this to my heart's content. You can easily do that image. Let's put the welcome here. And let's check on the layers panel. I can easily like reposition this. So as you would see, you can easily create something like this. And if you want, you can easily like add more like effects on this, resize this, and give it an animation. For example, let's click on that. Let's click on in. Let's click on, for example, like a pop. And again, you can just time it to your heart's content, or you can trim it to any specific time that you want and adjust the layers on which when it will appear. So that's simple inside of Adobe Express right now. And try it out, check it out, and I know you will love this feature, this new things inside of Adobe Express. Again, this is Roland Banes from Creative Nation Academy, and I'll see you in the next video.